How to get a loan for your food truck business. Food trucks are booming, but staying competitive means new equipment, ingredient stock, permits, and sometimes even repairs that cannot wait. We're independent brokers, and while we're not part of David Allen Capital, we often work with them because their funding process is fast and flexible. DAC can approve applications the same day and deliver funds within 24 to 48 hours, helping you get back on the road quickly. And their $500 meet or beat guarantee shows how competitive their offers are. If another lender beats them, David Allen Capital will either match it or hand you $500 in cash. If your truck's been operating at least 6 months with consistent revenue and strong bank statements, you may qualify, even with just fair credit. Click on the link in the description below, watch the founder's message, and apply today to get funding fast. Good luck!